Hello, this is Paul Guth with IQ Power Tools. Today we're going to talk about an accessory for the iQ228CYCLONE. This is the miter table or miter attachment. Let me show you how this works. First, you need to remove the conventional fence. Set that aside. Basically, you take the miter attachment, it sets right on top of the table, line it up with the holes in the pins, and then you lock it with that knob, and then you pop in this area right here, and that exposes your stand. So you can set the stand at 45 degrees or 22.5 degrees. Let's set it on 45 degrees, and we'll make a quick cut. Here we have a piece of subway tile, and to make your outside corner, of course, you would cut with the back side up, and to make an inside corner, if you need to do that, with the face side up. Let's make a quick cut.